share the review feedback about this Lenovo ThinkPad T470. I just got it today from Shop Lenovo, you can see. And this one is India version. You might have seen so many ThinkPad feedback and review from US people, but this is the first time I am going to upload review about this laptop on YouTube of India version. So let's open it. So this packing is very good, you can see over here, and especially it is very good packing overall. And can you come closer to show the description about this laptop? So you can see the description about this laptop. This is a ThinkPad T470. This is an Intel i7 and having the Windows 10 Pro and with a RAM 16 GB. So this one is important for me, and for that purpose I bought this laptop. But little bit I'm not happy with the hard disk, but still it's okay, 5.2 GB. And yeah, and along with this they have also given anyway, when I will open we will see what they are providing along with laptop. So let's open it. So already I have opened. So can you come here what we have in this box? So you can see there are two things. One is a bag, so load pack, and another one is our beautiful ThinkPad. So let's see this one first, but how it is. So we can see this is a ThinkPad Professional Slim Top Case, you can see here. So actually I generally like backpack, but they have given, so we have to accept it. But let's see how it is. The cost you can see here, if you will go outside in the market to buy the this case, then you will have to pay 8,300, but they have given, so it's good, it's worth it to buy along with this laptop. So you can see here this bag is good, you can carry, and especially handle is good, it's leather. So, and let's see how it is inside. You can see it's very spacious. You can put the laptop here. This is a this is a handle to use to carry the laptop. And here you can put your tablet and all. And this is just a description. You can go through it. So you can read later. And let's see what else they have given into this. So there is another zip over here. So you can put your other stuff like documents and all. You can put. There is another pocket. And there are so many pockets over here, so you can keep other document. Along with, you can put your water bottle over here and some other important and very frequently used stuff you can put here. So overall it's good, it's worth it. So you can see there is a logo of ThinkPad. So overall this is how it will look like when you will buy this laptop. I think especially it comes with ThinkPad only. So you might get some different bag. Maybe you can get a backpack, but especially I got it with ThinkPad T470. So it's nice. Okay, so I'm keeping it aside. And this is the just bill that I got along with this laptop. So okay, so our main focus is with this laptop. This you can see, this is a ThinkPad. Okay, so now we are going to see the description. You can see over here. Can you? Yeah, so you can see this is a T70 T470, and other thing you can see here is the prices. You can see over here, this is not the actual price. I got it at less price. So in India you might get it at 1,20,000, or if you will apply any coupon then you can get at less price. But this is a maximum price, 1,36,178. So this is the overall description. And so once again I want to tell you about this laptop. This is 16 GB RAM that can be extended to 32 GB, and this is Intel i7. This is a good thing. And hard disk, as I told, 5.2 GB, which is not good. Like in a normal laptop you can get 1 TB. So this is the bad thing in this laptop. Apart from that, everything is just awesome. Let's open it. this is how it will look like inside. So in the laptop, I believe this is a charger and battery is inside the packet, and this is our laptop. So this is in green cover. So let me take it out. Oh my god, it's look good. So this is a laptop, so you can see there is no battery here, so I will put it in some time. This is back in laptop, and let's see what is inside this packet. So definitely it would be a charger. So you can see this here is a charger. Yeah, it's very small, it's good to carry. Main cord, and here's the battery. This is very lightweight, anyway, it's good. So, this is a 3-cell battery, and as Lenovo claim that it will go for 17 hours, and this is also a positive factor with this laptop. So I have not tested it, but after assembling all these things, I will check how it works and for how long time it battery support. So let's plug in this one. Down. So this is the laptop. You can see it is quite slim, like T440 and 450 was it was those are little bit wider, but this is quite slim, and it's look good. I like that. So okay, so let me put it the battery. Also, the important part about this Lenovo is that the batteries are removable. Like in another laptop, even in a Lenovo and in mostly in Apple, you can see you can't remove the batteries like mobile and all. So this is the good part. After some point of time, 2 year or 3 year, you would like to change the battery, and you will end up with just changing the laptop, because you don't have option to change the battery. But here you can change it. So this is the another positive factor. So just simple then. Okay, so you can see here here is your USB ports and all, and here is a charger. Bring it closer. So here is the USB port, and here is the charger and all, and also you can see here is the Ethernet they have given. So this one is also very good, because in some laptop you will have to connect with the internet through Wi-Fi only, because they don't provide this Ethernet port, and sometimes Wi-Fi doesn't work well, and you at that time you feel like that you should have an Ethernet port so that you can directly connect. Maybe you might face this such kind of problems in hotels when you visit, and you can't do anything. And Ethernet generally doesn't come with the slim laptops, but I like this one. And here is another 2 USB ports. So just, yeah, you can see here there are 2 USB ports. So total there are 3 USB port, and yeah, that's it. And you can see here the sticker of Windows, Genuine Windows. So let's open it. Especially I like this one. So whoever is the fan of Lenovo ThinkPad, then they must be liking this one. So let's open it. So here's the laptop. So overall it's look good. Here Lenovo comes. So you can see here this one is Core i7. Can you bring the lamp? Core i7. Just hold for a minute. Yeah, this one is Core i7. This is a 7th generation. So this is the latest version, and especially I like the keyboard, because these are very smooth, and you feel very comfortable along with this. Just a minute. Got the call. Please connect. Give me a moment, please. So especially I like the keyboard because these are very smooth and very comfortable to type. if you are working for a long time. And they have provided this fingerprint scanner. So I have not used that, so I will check how it works. And this one is also very good. This is in the middle. So let's start configuring this. So I'm selecting US, yes, and it will take some time to configure.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Yeah, it should not take more than 2-3 minutes.
Along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro.
Just to
Let's
tell
dig
you
in.
all that the camera is 720 pixels, so
Your
it's a
region
very
is
good
set to
quality,
United
camera
States.
for the video
Is that
chatting
right?
over Skype. So I will select India. It should be India. Here is our India. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to English, India.
Yes,
Want
I
to stick
want
with that?
India.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip it. I don't need now. If required, then I can configure
Next up,
later also.
the legal stuff.
Yeah,
In
I
short,
accept it.
you have to...
Nobody read it, so I'm not going to read. So just accepting
Now,
it.
let's get you connected to a network.
Yeah,
That
sure.
way, you can get updates. Now, how about the first one on the list? Would you like to use that one? Okay, how about this next one? Now, type your credentials.
Start. Okay, so just you will have to configure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whatever you have at your home, to download and to configure all the required configuration in the system. So just I have configured with my connected with my Wi-Fi, which was available at my home. So it is taking some time. I don't know. I think I can also skip, but let's wait for a couple of seconds. If it will not get connected to the Wi-Fi, then I will skip it now. Skip for now. Anyway, I'm going to skip it. I think it is taking some time. There is some problem in the network, so just cancel it and
Now, type your credentials.
cancel. And I would like to skip it. And I will do all the configuration
Type
later
what
on.
you want to name
Just
your
to-
account.
Yeah, like champion. Let's say I'm giving this name as a champion. Champion is my favorite word.
Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Great. Now, with an offline account, the only way to retrieve your password if you forget it is with a hint. So make sure.
So
it's
I have kept the
memorable.
same password for just for help purpose, and I'm giving the hint of champ. So you can see.
Use Windows Hello to unlock your PC with just your fingerprint.
Yeah, I
It's
wanted to
not only
configure.
faster, it's more secure than a password.
Yeah, so as I told you, in the beginning of this video, like Lenovo has provided a very good feature of fingerprint scanner. So that one is good because all the time you don't have to enter the password. Simply you can start your computer and scan and log in, and you can start working. So let's set up it. Okay.
Follow the instructions to teach your PC to read your fingerprints.
I think it is done. Now try another angle. Okay. Oh, I think it is done.
Just in case, set up a pin for backup purposes.
Okay. Okay. 4-digit key pin. So
Hey, look, it's the me part of setup. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
no, I don't need now, so I just wanted to skip it.
These are the settings that Microsoft recommends. Review them now and select accept when
Choose
you're ready.
privacy settings for your devices, like location you wanted to share or not. No, I don't want to share my locations. Diagnostic is required, yeah, full required. Relevant ads, no, I don't want any ad. Speech recognition, no, I don't need. I'm able to write whatever I needed. And tailored experience with the diagnostic data, so I can keep it for diagnostic of the system. So accept it.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact details to send you updates and helpful info.
No. Champion. A reason I can put Karnataka, India. Let me open. Okay, let me select India. You can select over here. So क्या है ये protect your devices. So guys, just I configure all the details like email ID and the password, email ID, username, like my first name and last name. So just I move to the next section, which is protect your devices. Like they are asking for the Lenovo ID. If you have, then you can enter and sign up to receive email exclusive for offer. No, I don't need offer because already I have bought this laptop, so I'm not in the situation to buy another one. So thanks, I don't need. So just I'm skipping this. So it's taking time, but I think it's done.
That's the last step.
Oh, thank God.
We need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So this is just a one-time process. So after doing after all this configuration, you don't have to do it again and again. So I think it is done. No, it should not take much time, so I think we can wait for another 1 minute. Let's start. I think. Wow, it's look good. So you can see the wallpaper, it is just looking awesome. And this is Windows 7, you can see, and you can search whatever you want over here. So this is Windows, or not 7, sorry, it's a Windows 10 Pro. I just missed it. So let's check the configuration over here, what they have provided. Can you come around here, this PC, we can check. So you can see this is a 475 GB data, you will 475 GB space you will have, because this is a 5.2 and remaining data, remaining spaces has been used to configure the Windows 10 and other Lenovo data. So this is the space you will get along with this laptop. So let's check the configuration. So you can check this configuration is the ThinkPad T470 Signature Edition and Intel i7 7500 CPU, and you can see the RAM and all, and it's a 64-bit, so it comes with all the system these days. So I think we can see all this is the Windows 10 Pro. So especially the purpose of buying this laptop is, first you can upgrade the RAM up to 32 GB. That one is very important these days, and there is only one RAM. There are two slots. One slot has been used with the 16 GB. They have not given 88 GB, so that one is a good part. If you have to upgrade, you don't have to replace. Simply you can go buy one RAM of 16 GB and put into the slot. So that's it. So no wastage of money, no wastage of RAM. This is the first part. The second part, I was using i5. So i5 is good, but not for heavy uses. So i7 I bought it. This is the second reason. And of course I don't like Windows 8 because that one is very irritating to opening all opening and searching of the content inside. So Windows 10 is quite good. so it's look good also. So these are the three factors for that purpose I bought this laptop. So hope you would like you all have liked this video. So please share your feedback, and if you have any query, then definitely I would like to answer, and especially I will use it, and I will share my feedback how it is after after a week or a month. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.